Heritage Park. You've probably seen this before if you're an OG, but just in case you aren't, so I can show it to you. The deer in there, like right in there. I'll make sure you can see them. Almost ran into him. Quite a cool find. Ah, shoot. I'm not exactly sure what this is, actually. I think it might be a coat hanger. Or something. There are some big rocks here. Looks like there might be some iron in this rock, I think. Iron's a relatively common ore, so it doesn't really surprise me that much. But this is part of the island that you never really see. That's what this is. Walking on a deer trail right now. With one of these giant trees. So this is kind of where I am. Nice area, calm and relaxing. Mound of dirt here, natural or not, hard to tell. The island that you might just not see otherwise. This is what I like to do. The earth changes color here. Not really any difference in plant growth though, so kind of a mystery in that fashion of state. I think it might be sand. That's what it is. These ferns are growing on sand. Actually, that kind of quite surprises me, because I actually didn't know ferns could grow on sand, but this kind of here, especially this one fern plant, kind of reminds me of prehistoric plants. So it's kind of surprising, to be honest, the way they grow out. There's one fern bushel that isn't opened in the middle in the rock again for you guys. There you go, guys. Easy way of climbing it. Hold on, this is a wild garter snake. If you hold him like this, he'll calm down, but this is pretty much...
Make sure you get him.
Yeah, they're actually quite calm. They're non-venomous, which means they are not poisonous. But they're actually probably one of the common snakes you can get. Milk snakes, on the other hand, they're not venomous, but they will try and bite you.
Wait, Matt.
Like crazy milk
Matt,
snakes.
let him go. Let's see the release.
Okay, I'm gonna release him.
Let's see the release, Matt.
Okay, go away. I don't know where he went.
Alright, so we just finished like the last day, right? Yeah.
It's only a half a day.
It's only half a day. Everyone else is leaving besides me, which sucks. You're leaving.
And Mike.
Well, you're coming back. Well, I'm not gonna see you anyway. So doesn't matter.
The Flying Slow Bro is saying another reason.
Oh, you are?
Hey guys, make sure to subscribe to the Flying Slow Bro. We're actually doing a fidget spinner giveaway at 100
And
subscribers.
like do. Alright, bye.
So, we did Camp Descender for the first week. I'm gonna be headed home, so see you guys next week, or see you guys tomorrow actually, or see you guys later in the video actually. But yeah, that guy a little bit confusing. I'm gonna go on the bike the same route that I ran. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So see you in a little while, and also see if I see anything interesting. 100 subs special will be like the end of this week sometime. Hey guys, Flying Slow Bro here. Hey Skylar. Alright, I'll let that out. Hey guys, Flying Slow Bro. Just on a little hills. Decided to ride around back here a little bit. Kind of fun to do. Riding around town, back in these back parking lots. Very bumpy terrain, but my bike has front suspension. How many bikes have that? This bike is a Elite 500. Elite, not an Elite, Elite. So yeah. I'm gonna do a full run of this trail here. Oh, I think I scared something. Scared something. Let's see, so across the grass. Gotta put on the power over the rocks, over some roots, across some more rocks. And over a few more rocks. Another root, another rock, another rock. Another rock. And then you get to the end of it. Here at Canton, I've never noticed before that there was actually a curb in this parking lot before it went up. I always thought it was one level of parking lot. And because of this, hold on, let me show you one thing. It's kind of pointless to have a continuous guardrail. One of Canton's many quirks. Flying Slowbro here, heading for my bike ride. Probably gonna ride here because this is a mountain bike and that's what it's meant to do. Yeah, it's pretty nice, this mountain bike. Riding down Church Street. Approximately a 24-hour break from soccer camp. Well, 26 hours, I've done the math actually. But other than that, I'll be doing my 100 sub special next Saturday, or actually this coming Saturday, because don't really have time to do it today, because I got a late start to the day because of soccer camp. So yeah, sorry for the wait. Gonna be doing a giveaway if Mom lets me. So fidget spinner giveaway. 4 fidget spinners, or however the amount that Mom lets me. Who knows? Just subscribe and comment down below.